Alright, we're not gonna need much intro on this one. My gaming PC needs some love. Let's change things up. And here's my baby, the Thermaltake P3, open case. You can do a lot with it, and I had a lot of fun, but it's big, it's heavy, and it gets dusty really quickly, so I'm changing it to this guy. Alright, I just moved everything on my gaming desk. I think I'm just gonna do it right here. Oh, holy. Yeah, we gotta clean this up. Alright, don't laugh. This is how I remember where to put everything. Yeah, I still have the manual, but this is faster. Alright, let's get everything cleaned up. Yikes. Alright, now for the annoying part. Ooh. Yeah, this case is much lighter than the old one. Alright, I'm gonna start with the power supply, I guess. Easy. And let's take a quick peek inside. Looking nice and clean. Just enough space for my motherboard. And they got the standoffs here as well. Love it. Now it's time for the SSDs. I also need to change my CPU cooler, and since my CPU came with a fan that's been sitting in my closet for a long time, we're just gonna use this. It actually looks pretty decent, and yeah, it looks nice and clean. And we got the thermal paste already applied. I just realized that I need to put these on.
A few moments later.
Looking pretty good so far. Nice and clean. Now we're gonna clean this up, so let's do some cable management and alrighty then. Alright, everything is hooked up and we are ready. And it's alive! So now everything looks much cleaner and definitely lighter. And honestly, the CPU cooler looks better than expected. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like and subscribe and let me know what you think. And as always, thank you for watching and see you next time.